Hi, welcome to Smart Investor. Do you ever think about how to gain profit from high implied volatility? And do you think how to remove upside risk? Do you think is there any strategy which gives me high credit, high reward, high probability of profit and low risk? Yes, there is a strategy is called Big Lizard strategy, which gives you all these points very well. My name is Ganesh. Today we are going to discuss about this strategy on a live trade I have done on TCS very recently. Let's see what is all there. Before we understand about Big Lizard strategy, we need to understand about what is short straddle. This strategy resembles short straddle, but problems in short straddle are very well addressed in this strategy. What is short straddle? We go ATM put and call, we short of the same strikes, same number of strikes and at the same expiration. So what is the outlook? It's purely direction neutral. Slightly below or above is okay, but stock is expected to be range bound. Advantages of short straddle: profit from range bound stock, high yielding income strategy. What are the disadvantages? Unlimited risk if stock moves in either direction. Limited reward. Bid-ask spread is very high that can adversely affect the strategy. High risk strategy. Okay, these are the problems we have seen now. So let us see straddle payoff chart. This is the one have taken in TCS. I went to 3250 call, 3250 put. I sold both of them at the price of 93 rupees and 81 rupees. If you see, probability of profit is very high. Max profit is also very high, 21%, more than that. PNL is showing around 20,000 because this, for recording purpose, I took this payoff chart 1 week after I took the trade. So that's where it's already showing this profit. For now, profit showing is you can ignore. Everything else remains the same. And payoff chart looks like this. So it's expected to be range bound. Stock expires within this range, one would get maximum profit of this short straddle. But there are problems we discussed, right? So if stocks moves higher wildly or it takes 10%, 5% more than that, let's say how can you fix these issues so that if you fix that strategy is called Big Lizard. What are the issues fixed and how we move it this? If you see this TCS chart, this is how it happens. So on 7th of July, I took the trade. So if you understand the 7th of July, that chart is good. The chart looks very good. Means it's already corrected. So I found it is very interesting. This is the right time to enter into this strategy. What I have done? So I created a straddle first when spot was 3252 strike. I sold strike 3250 call at 93, 3250 put at 81 rupees. Credit I received 174 rupees, which means it is more than 5% of a strike where I entered. Now let us see how I converted this into Big Lizard. So you need to stop upside risk. In case stock moves to very high or bullish, we should able to exit with good or reasonable profit. How to do that? Means credit received should be greater than width of call spread, which is a no upside risk. For this to achieve, I bought one lot of 3,350 call at rupees 53. So with this, if you calculate net credit minus call strike difference minus debit paid, which is comes to 21 rupees additional points, which means you will be getting 6,300 rupees guaranteed upside profit. If stocks stays there, anyway you get a maximum profit. If stocks moves very high, you can exit the trade with maximum 6,300 rupees profit. This is the beauty of this Big Lizard. Let's see Big Lizard payout chart. You see this, what I had entered on 7th of July. I added 3,350 call strike at 53. After adding this, probability is almost 73% probability. Max profit is 36,000 and net credit you would receive 36,300 rupees. Margin requirement is around 2,47,000 is showing, but in Zerodha it took 2,40,000. Of course, max loss is undefined, which is the lower break even. That we will see how it appears. If you see this payout diagram, upside is no risk, but even profit. This is the payout chart. Let's see live trade I took. On 7th July, I sold strikes 3,250 call and put at 93 rupees and 81 rupees. And to arrest the upside risk, I bought 3,350 call at 53. So on 9th July, so in between one day trading, I left. Then once results are already announced, on 9th July, I exited the trade in the first hour of the trading. So I exited this with 4,500 rupees profit, which is 1.8% return in total. I hardly stayed in the trade for one day, so I entered in the trade 1 hour of last trading day before and exited first hour of the trading day after results. This is a screenshot. You can see when I entered, exited, and what happened. Let's understand this trade summary. If you see July 7th, last hour of the trading, I entered into Big Lizard. 8th, TCS declared results after market hours. July 9th, first hour, I exited the trade with profit. This is as per the chart, and I took the chart on 16th July for your reference to explain. If you imagine, if I didn't exit the trade, I stayed in the trade for even till today, I would be getting profit of 9,930 rupees, which is 4% return, right? Which is good. Even, but that's fine because I just wanted to explore this strategy. But for your reference, even after closing this trade, 1 week after I closed the trade, again I took a trade for August series. This is the entire trade summary. And what are the possible adjustments and FAQs generally one should know before entering into this trade. What if BEP 3129 is breached? Close the trade and perform one of the following steps as per your loss incurred and the market conditions. open an in the money covered call with futures, or open a covered call with synthetic futures, or open an in the money cash secured put based on the loss calculation you already got. So you can do that. So either of three you can take for adjustments, which would, where you can gain, the probability of gaining the profit is very high, because stock would have already corrected a lot, but this is a TCS, one of the top IT company in India and across the globe. Definitely it would give you more returns. And what are the conditions to take this trade? These are very important, one should understand before entering into the trade. RSI should be close to 40 or below to it, and this trade is ideally can be taken just before earnings or any other big event is expected. A big drop in the price would have already occurred. ATM implied volatility is very high. If trade goes against you, you should be able to take delivery. If you meet these conditions, another one is that strikes should be highly liquid, and stock like SBI, Reliance, Airtel and TCS and etc. These are the stocks are ideal for this kind of trade and this kind of strategy. Hope you understand the video. Thank you very much for watching. One thing I want to tell you guys, to explain this my learning, I had to take the trade, I have to record all the trades, have to prepare, and I have to bring it to you, which takes a lot of efforts behind this video. If you like this video, try to like it, share it, so that many people will benefit by this kind of strategy, so that we learn together and earn together and grow together.